Hi, Mark here. Thursday, January the 22nd. It is 7:50 a.m. Eastern, 12:50 p.m. GMT. US session about to get underway. Let's see how the markets are positioned this morning, starting on the US dollar index on the daily chart. US US dollar, very interesting. 2 days ago, we saw the big sell-off. That's the Greenland issue and Trump's threat against occupying Greenland military force if necessary. Yesterday, he walked back those threats at Davos in Switzerland, and you can see the US dollar responded kindly. The US dollar fought back yesterday. Today, so far, hanging around yesterday's resistance, but weak again going into the US session. I've got support at 98.46 and resistance at 98.66. We'll wait to see whether the downtrend, which is in effect, continues and US dollar weakness continues. Sellers look down at this support level. Alternatively, if the US dollar does fight back during the US session, buyers will be looking up at the resistance level. Let's have a look at the S&P 500. Some extreme moves we've seen 2 days ago, also as a result of the Greenland threat. You can see how the stock markets, all of the stock markets across the board, and the S&P included, sold off sharply. And then yesterday, following the so-called good news, um, that's the result, and that's what the market wanted to hear, and rebounded and recouped the losses from the day before. And so far in futures trading, still a good hour and a half until Wall Street opens up. But so far, you can see that the positive response from the markets is continuing going into the US session and going into the Wall Street Open. We have support at 6,910 and resistance at 6,955. Downtrend still in place. Again, we'll see whether that demand continues and whether buyers can break above this intraday resistance, perhaps look back up at this 7,000 level, or if sellers do step in and we see a continuation of the downtrend. Let's have a look at gold. Gold strong again today for 3 consecutive days, being Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, record highs every day. Not a record high today, but certainly demand for gold. I've got support at 4,768 and resistance at 4,835 going into the US session. Brent oil. Brent oil being sold off has been in a range between pretty much $63 and $65. You can see the close has been within that range for the past almost week. And today, still within that range, but certainly being sold off and testing that support right now at 63.43, a support that's tested every day, but sellers haven't been able to maintain below that level. We'll see whether that's the case today, or if, as we have seen, and that's why you see the wicks left behind here, if buyers do step in, bounce up off the support level, and look back up at the 64.69. EMA is pretty much flat, not giving us much guidance at this point. We'll wait to see how, once the US session now open, this weakness and the selling of oil through the Asian European session, let's see if that continues through the US session. And then Bitcoin. Bitcoin struggling to fight back, downtrend very much in place, hasn't been able to recoup from the sell-off that we saw pretty much since the 15th of January, the big sell-off 2 days ago. And then yesterday, an attempted fight back. Green candlestick again today, but certainly not looking strong at this point. I've got support at 89,300. I've got resistance at 90,300. Buyers, if we're going to continue to see demand for Bitcoin and Bitcoin bounce back, we'll firstly have to break this 90,000 level, then the 92,000 level on the way as a first step in reversing this downtrend. Sellers, of course, will be looking to maintain below 90,000, looking down here at the 88,000 level. Good trading. Keep that discipline. I'll see you at end of day session.